The Hymn of the Pearl from the Acts of Thomas. Introduction, Part 6.
Throughout this poem, we are going to share, when you see that it mentions the word prince, you must understand that it is referring to the fact that Christ has been manifested in a body of weakness, making herself equal to us. And despite being in the condition of a human being and in an inferior covenant, in the East, on the other side of the Jordan, or the dispensation of death with the Antichrist, her obedience and fidelity to God, regardless of the dispensation she was in and what she learned there, she triumphed over the earthly mind, dying in the cross to the earthly mind. That is why it says in Philippians 2:8 that, being in human form, she humbled herself and was obedient to the point of death and death of the cross. Also, keep in mind that whenever you see mentioned in the poem that before leaving, the parents make a pact with the prince, it means that if he manages to fulfill what is requested of him, which is to seize the valuable pearl from the serpent's possession, he will recover his royal gowns and will share the inheritance of the kingdom with the older brother, just as MelquisedecLisbet has fulfilled it today. You will be able to understand with much detail that this story proves that when MelquisedecLisbet took possession of the precious pearl, she regained her celestial garments and shared her spiritual inheritance of the kingdom with the older brother, just as it is written that the true Christ would come to do in her glorious manifestation in the latter days. She would take the two nations, the two peoples that were divided from her depths, her spiritual womb, and make one people stronger than the other, where the elder brother would serve the younger. This is a figure of what MelquisedecLisbet has accomplished today, granting the elder brother a place in her kingdom under the leadership of the younger brother. Amen. To be continued.